So today we'll be swapping the rear glass out of this Note 20 Ultra. As you can see, it's cracked, and also the top back glass for the camera is cracked. So we're gonna swap that and put a new one. Now this one I grabbed it on eBay. It's a decent part, you know. It's very difficult sometimes to find a right provider that can give you the right part, and because nowadays companies like Apple, Samsung, they don't sell you just the part that you need, so you gotta search it somewhere else. Alright, for now, let's get rid of this plastic. And then I purchased this one separately because it looks like they don't have it at the moment, so here it is. Try not putting your fingers on the glass, inside of the glass, because that's, you know, going inside, so we don't want to leave any marks. So let's remove this little glass. There we go. Now let's put this one back in. And well, let me remove this one, this plastic on the bottom. So it goes better. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Now this has tape on it. Let's get rid of the whole back cover. Alright, normally again I heated up this one about 30 seconds. You gotta count it. Don't over put it. Make at least 30, I mean, an inch, 2 inch from the back cover to the heat gun. I like patching it. That's kind of when I know that it's ready to go. Again, 30 seconds at the most. I use these guitar picks and some of the razor blade. I'm gonna start with the good part. So what I'll do is this. Okay, enough to make a little space. Once you have a little space in it, just put your guitar pick right there, and there we go. Start moving it. See that? Since this glass is broken already, I don't have to be any gentle like that. This glass, man. There we go. It's coming apart. There we go. As you can see, it's coming along. It's almost there, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me, guys. And there we go. It's all open, all apart. Now what do? I have a little toothbrush that I clean it, kind of like that, because sometimes there's a leftover from the glass, and you want to make sure it's all removed, you know. And with the razor blade, I scrap them a little bit just to remove the old tape. There we go. There we go. Now it's looking good. Now all we're doing is just swapping the back cover, so this should be so simple. Make sure to move back your, well, it looks like we need to move this part and that, and I'm also going to move this little filter. So what we need is to heat it up. We need to heat it up, this part, so we remove it. 5 seconds, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now I love using my razor blade a lot, so just be careful, guys. Don't cut your finger. There we go. Where's my tweezer? There we go. Now let's put it back in here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now we need to remove, I believe this is for the flash. Let's pry it open. The tape, I want the tape. There we go. Here's my tape, I want to reuse it. And come on, baby. There we go. Now I believe this one was like this. And perfect, look at that. There we go. Now, like I was saying, I would love to move that one, that little. Yes, you know what? This is kind of like a little filter, you know, you don't want all the dust to get in on your brand new phone. This is a little tape, so let's put it back where it belongs. There you go, beautiful. Now let's put that one, baby, back in. There we go. Yeah, that should do it. That's all I'm gonna use today. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit more tape in this area so it holds a little better, because the original, it have a little bit more tape. So let's put a little bit more tape on it just to hold it. Alright, just gonna put this tape right here, and then a little tape right here too, just to secure it, and that'll do it. Peel it off. There we go. And lastly, we'll remove the tape from our brand new back cover. Again, I love heating it up, this tape, at least 3 seconds. Well, since my heat gun overheated already, so we're gonna just apply it like that. And let's put back this baby. And there we go. There we go. How does it look, guys? I think it looks pretty good now. Look at that. And there it is. That's how you remove the back cover. Super simple. Back cover, you can find this brand on the on eBay. It's about like $10, I believe. This other part's about another $10. So, but yeah, look, like brand new now compared to the old one. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Thank you.